What's up, everybody? We're here at Wallace Falls State Park and we're gonna enjoy some waterfalls. This is the park that we were going to go to when we went to Haybrook, but last time there were like 300 cars in the parking lot, and this time pulling in we were the 9th car, and it's raining on a Wednesday, so there's not as many people. Yeah, there's some cool waterfalls on this trail. We've been here before, but we're going up to the top falls, the one we haven't been to, so it should be fun. Yeah. We got this cool sign right when we start. We are here at the first waterfall of the hike. It's gonna be hard to hear me just because of how loud it is, but it's a cool waterfall. This is Small Falls. Brady's getting some pictures of it. Hey guys, welcome to another time of me saying we love the area we're in. Just a great area. Still not lying though. It's all truths. Nothing but facts. It just looks so cool around us. It does. This whole hike is cool. Yeah. Alright guys, we made it to the second waterfall of the day. Probably the coolest waterfall I've ever seen, wouldn't you say? Yeah. Honestly, it's pretty cool. Yeah, we're joking. So the water today is really loud and it's really fast because it's been raining a lot recently. It's even raining right now, but it's just like really powerful and loud. So it's hard to film right by it. Yeah. But it's cool. So we're just walking along the trail and there's this thing. Like, I understand the point of these, but like, what's the point of this one? The water isn't even really going into it. And the water's just going over the trail anyway. So like, it's weird. What's the point? So last time we went on this trail, Peyton noticed, it was this tree right here. There was like steam coming off it with light behind it. So it looked super cool, so I took a picture of it, of course, because I have to. This is it. It'll also be up on screen. You'll see it better on screen. But I don't know, it was just really cool. So the waterfall I just showed up there was Middle Wallace Falls. We'll get a better viewing of that in a second. But now we're at Lower Wallace Falls. They're right by each other, so I'm going to show you that now. Alright, so we made it to a better viewing point of Middle Wallace Falls. It's a really cool waterfall, like one of the coolest I've seen. Yeah! It's just really nice. All right, so we are now above Middle Wallace Falls. We're still on our way to Upper Wallace Falls, but it's a cool view from above Middle Wallace Falls. We made it to a second spot above Middle Wallace Falls. We got a really good view behind us. I'll show in a second.
Yep.
Just really cool. All right, so we made it to Upper Wallace Falls. I'm just filming over here because it's a little bit quieter, but Brady's at the viewpoint. It's a cool waterfall.
All right, so we had a fun time. It was a fun hike. I mean, we're just heading down now, so.
Yeah. Cool waterfalls.
Yeah, very cool.
What's up, everybody? I am here with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He's been a great hiking partner so far. He hasn't said much. He hasn't really moved much, matter of fact. But you know, it's been a good hike together.
So this right here is actually a good lookout. I mean, when there's not clouds. I'll put a picture on screen that I took from last time. I mean, it sucks that there were power lines in the way, but I removed them from the picture. So that'll be up on screen.
Oh hey, stay hydrated.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more adventures. Follow us on Instagram. The link will be in the description.
We had a fun hike today, saw some cool waterfalls, and we also filmed a separate video that you'll just have to stay tuned for.
Fun day, fun hike. Well, it's Brady
and Peyton,
and we're out.
I want the world, yeah, I want the world.